Adrian bought a new laptop on hire purchase. The cash price was $1,385.40. He paid a 20% deposit followed by 12 monthly payments of $106.25 each. Calculate the amount of the deposit. Now, notice that in the question it says that he paid a 20% deposit. And so the deposit is going to be 20% of the cash price. And 20% represented as a fraction is 20 over 100. And we're going to multiply that by the cash price, which is $1,385.40. And we put that over 1. So we have 20 times $1,385.40, which gives us $27,708. And we have 100 times 1, which is 100. Next, we divide these two numbers. And when we divide them, we get $277.08. And so that means that the amount of the discount is $277.08. Next, our goal is to calculate the amount of the total monthly payments. Notice that there are 12 months, and during each month, you have to pay $106.25. Okay, so 12 months, and during each month, the person has to pay $106.25 each. And so in order for us to figure out the total monthly payments, we're going to say 12 multiplied by $106.25, which gives us $1,275. And so that's going to be the total amount. That's going to be the total amount of the monthly payments, $1,275. Next, our goal is to calculate the total hire purchase price. Now, in order for us to calculate the total hire purchase price, what we have to do is we have to determine what is the deposit, and we have to add that with the monthly payments. Now, the deposit is $277.08, which we saw earlier, and the total monthly payments is $1,275, which we saw earlier as well. And so when we add those two together, we get $1,552.08. And that's going to be the total hire purchase price. That's the total hire purchase price. And that's the answer for this question. And finally, the question asks us to determine what is the amount that can be saved by paying cash. Now, in order for us to determine the amount that can be saved by paying cash, notice that we do the following. We subtract. So we take the total hire purchase price and we subtract that with the cash price. And the total hire purchase price is $1,552.08, which we determined already. And the cash price, which we have right here, is $1,385.40. When we subtract these two, we get $166.68. And so that means that the amount that can be saved by paying cash is $166.68. And that's the answer to this question.